How to fix Metro Bank application not working issue. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Metro Bank application not working issue. If your Metro Bank application isn't working, then here are several steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. There are several reasons that can cause Metro Bank application not to work. So first of all, you need to ensure that your internet connection is working well. You may also switch it to the data cellular to check if it works. Also, if your application is not up to date, you can face this issue. So for that, you need to open the Play Store of your device, and once you open the Play Store, here in the top, you will find the search bar. Tap on the search bar and there type in Metro Bank Mobile Banking. Once you type in this keyword, now press the search icon of your keyboard to search it. Within a while, you will be presented with the search results. Here, once you find the Metro Bank application, you need to tap on the icon. Once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here, if you find Update button at the right side, then your application needs update. Go ahead and tap on that Update button to start the update process. But if you find Open button instead of Update in this page, then that means your application is already up to date. If your application is already up to date and you're still facing this issue, then that means you need to clear the cache of your application. For that, you need to open the device settings, and once you open the settings, here you need to look for application option. Once you find the applications, you need to tap on it to open it. In case if you didn't find this option, you may also use the search bar at the top and there type in applications and search for it. Within a while, you will be presented with the search results. There you can find application and permissions. Tap on this option, and once you open it, here you may need to tap on one more option, that is App Manager. This may be different in other mobile devices. Now after tapping on it, you will reach to the section where you will find all the application that has been installed on your device. In this list, you need to find Metro Bank. Once you find the Metro Bank application, you need to tap on it to open it. And here you will be able to find Clear Cache option. Tap on the Clear Cache in order to clear all the unnecessary cache from your device. Now once you do that, check if the issue still persists. If your Metro Bank application isn't working still, then you may need to tap on this Uninstall button right here on this page and then confirm it by tapping on OK. After doing that, it will get installed from your device. Once it gets installed from your device, now you need to open your Play Store of your device to reinstall the Metro Bank application. Here search for Metro Bank, and once you find it, tap on the Install button to reinstall it. And after it is successfully reinstalled, you need to restart your device and log in to your account using the credentials. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix Metro Bank application not working issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.